Oh my god.
My house was a total mess and I wanted to know if cleaning up everything would help me focusing, so that's what I did. I cleaned up everything and rearranged everything in my house. As you can see, everything here is a mess. And here too, here as well. You know, it's really hard for me to clean everything up because it's not hard to do, but it's hard to put myself at the task because I think it's useless. I think there is a use in having things cleaned up a little bit, but having everything perfect for me is a waste of time because you have to do it every time, every day. And I just want to know if it's worth it or not. So today we are gonna see if it helps me think or if I think it's really good to have everything perfect, you know? If you want it to be clean, you have to clean it yourself. Do it! As you can see, it was hard for me to stay focused. I was always distracted. I mean, always. I cannot focus. I have to do something. Oh!
He shoots, he scores!
I'd give anything to hear.
I didn't sleep all night. I cleaned
I want to break free.
and I watched a movie
I want to break free.
and I worked a little bit.
I want to break free.
And right now I have still the bedroom to clean. That's how I do it. My back. The desk to organize a little bit. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow because in 1 hour I have to help a friend that I accepted to help. He's moving his boat. And guys, the toilet paper is not for what you think. That's how I do it. I am too tired and it's been 1 week. Yeah. Let's speed up things now. That's it. I needed that. And that's how the fridge looks right now. Very nice. Guys, look how much it rains. Here it started to look good, but I still had some things to do. Guys, I really don't know where I'm going with this video because I had this idea that maybe I would have lots of things to say about cleaning everything, but for now I have nothing to say about it, except that it feels good that when you go in the room, everything is clean. But for the work and the creativity, it didn't help for the moment. I took like 10 days to finish it because I have no energy. I can do only 2 to 3 hours of work every day. The thing is, when you're trying to have everything cleaned up and everything in order, you're stressed. For example, here I have a notepad on my desk that is helping me to organize my day and to have reminders, and I prefer to have it on text than to have it on my application. So yeah, it's not perfectly placed, it's a bit of a mess on my desk, but I have it and I don't have to think like, okay, I have to find a position where I have to put this book and then I have to take it and then I have to put it back when I don't use it anymore so it can stay clean. This is stressful and this takes time. If you have mess, that means you've put something at the place that it's the easiest to place it. Mess is efficient. Okay, and now for those who wanted to see, here are the results and my final thoughts. Just put everything where you want it, but keep a little bit of order. I think that the stress relief of putting everything where you want it to be is better than the stress relief of having a clean desk and a clean house and everything.